In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Apple Pay to purchase games here in the PlayStation Store directly through the PlayStation app. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to go ahead and use Apple Pay to buy PlayStation games, here's how you do so. Begin by opening up the PlayStation app on your phone and making sure that you're signed in to the PlayStation Network account that is on your PS5. At the bottom of your screen, you're going to see a little PlayStation Store icon. Go ahead and select that, and from here, you can choose whatever game you would like. In my case, we're just going to choose something like Madden 26, so I'm going to select this and hit Add to Cart, but obviously you would want to go ahead and select whatever game you actually want. Now from here, a window is going to pop up with your cart. You can add more stuff and come back to this later. In my case, I'm not going to do that, but you're going to see a few different options. You're going to want to go ahead and find this little payment method section here. Go ahead and select the payment method option, and from here, you may see Apple Pay on here. If not, hit Add Payment Method and then select Apple Pay. But in my case, and for many of you who have Apple Pay already set up on your phone, Apple Pay is already going to be here, so go ahead and select that. Now you're also going to have the option to redeem a discount code if you do have any, so keep that in mind, make sure you do that. But after you do select Apple Pay here, you just have to hit Confirm Purchase, and Apple Pay is going to go ahead and pull up on your phone, where you just have to double click to actually pay. I'm not going to go ahead and do that just because I don't want Madden 26, because College Football 26 is way better, and that's just a fact. But that is how you would use Apple Pay in the PlayStation Store through the app. If this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.